Everybody, welcome back. Today we're doing something different. I've got a little fantasy style illustration here with the kids playing in a giant garden. Adam sleeping on a little lily pad. Izzy trying to warn him because of the big fish down there, the big koi in the pond. Yeah, just gonna see where this goes. Izzy's not feeling well, so he's not joining me today. So here we go. Starting with a fine liner. And I'm just going to be doing the outlines. Is this frightened? I haven't drawn anything with these characters in a while. Figured since Izzy's not feeling well, might as well just try something different and see where this goes. Hopefully I can create a whole series with these. Obviously prep the sketch with pencil drawings, had a couple of roughs, and obviously ended up with a fully fleshed out pencil drawing. Easy character has a little end on tail. Little foot here. Just photos, don't judge. There we go. Another heel. 4 toes. Nobody's perfect, and there we go. Kinda messed up that bit, eh? And the sleeve there. And it's pointing out to the water. Little weird fist, but that's that. Okay, and that's easy. Yep, that's just about done there. I'll just darken that, color that in. Texture on the tail. There we go. So he's laying on this giant leaf. So the leaf is coming out here. Tip of the leaf going back behind Izzy, the outline, and back this way. Another leaf at the back here. As you can imagine, a bit shaky there. As you can imagine, I will probably end up speeding up some of this because it would take forever to show everything. I'm just freestyling these little grasses here. I'm following the rough exactly. Okay, that's that. Now for Adam. Adam is having a lekker nap here. Smaller drawings, so I have to be careful. Tight flatter lines. His eyes are closed, little nose, and wide open mouth with the teeth showing and the tongue. He's snoring. And there we go. And the hair back here, back there, coming back here, and finishing up. Just follow through with this hair. There we go. Sleeve, torso, the other sleeve, the striped top, the red stripe on his top. There we go, this red stripe on his sleeve, and his elbow back there. So that's just curling back. His hands are behind his head and he's asleep. Got his feet here, big toe, and we do the 4-toe thing again. Pants, big toe. And that's our little Adam, and he's asleep. And he's asleep on this lily pad. So here we go with the lily pad. Wavy outlines. And now onto the fish. Fishy is open mouth, little nose hole, if you can call it that, and his eye, but shaky on the eye as well there. I'm going to color it black. Fin, wavy fin, add some texture to that. Top fin, and yeah, some shape back there. You're not going to see much, not going to fall in too much detail back there because that bit's supposed to be underwater. So this is basically like a coloring book now. One of those pages where there's outlines and I'm going to be coloring the rest in. Okay, now for the coloring phase. I think my paper is just about good enough for, watercolor, absorbing the liquid. I missed some lines here. But yeah, I'm just gonna dive in, get on with it, use this as a test sheet maybe, little palette here, and learn as I go along. So that's my smaller brush, this is the bigger brush. Okay, so for Izzy, let's go right at him with the blue. Let's test that there. And the blue dangly. Just go with it. Went over the lines there. Okay, that's the blue angry bit. Squeeze out this blue. Green t-shirt or red t-shirt, I'll make it red. We're gonna have quite a bit of green in here anyway. It's all the leaves. So let's go ahead and make this red. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna hit all the red where I need to go. So and I think I'm going to call it at that. So like I said, lessons to be learned. Proper waterproof ink and proper waterproof paper, watercolor paper. We can only improve from here, or I can only improve from here. Was it correct? Stationery. And yeah, let's have a close-up. Let's have a look at that. It's a pity that bit spilt on Izzy's ear. I might just tamper with this image again after it dries, but I'm happy with our first attempt and we're gonna take it from there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good and have fun. Bye.